Now your CBS 4 Storm Tracker forecast, supported by the Javier Villarreal Law Firm.
Partly cloudy conditions across the Rio Grande Valley, and this actually kind of shows it out there. As you can see, time-lapse video through La Jolla ISD as the clouds started to roll throughout most of the day. And you can see some of the darker clouds that were out there, but rain never made it to La Jolla itself. Let's go ahead and take a look at your highs for today. 93 degrees in Brownsville, 91 degrees out towards McAllen today. Harlingen only hit about 88 degrees, and it's because they saw a lot of that rain pushing through. And in fact, that's where we're still at right now, 85 out towards Brownsville itself. And then finally, out of the 90-degree digits, out in Starr County. Let's take a look at winds as well. As you can see, most of our winds are still within the 16-mile-per-hour range, 13-mile-per-hour range in Harlingen, and 13-mile-per-hour range out towards Wesco itself. And of course, a storm tracker showing that we're still having that flow from the southeast and bringing with it a few showers here and there. And there's still a spotty shower or two out there itself, but those are dying off as well. We could still see some overnight tonight, but even then, that chance is minimal. Chance is still there, though. Tomorrow, chances of rain really start to pick up once again. And you can see it's most of this flow that's been coming in from the southeast, a high pressure system farther up north, and that's what's really making everything flow in. Drought monitor, though, we're still seeing some dry conditions, and this was, of course, before all the rain over the past few days. Dry conditions out towards pretty much where Hidalgo, Cameron, and Willacy all meet, and then we have just a bit out towards Brownsville and South Padre Island. However, I do expect for most of that to kind of shrink as we did see a lot of that rain pushing through. Doesn't mean we're out of the neck of the woods just yet, as we continue to see a lot of the rain really pushing through tomorrow as well. Same thing, like what we saw today, around 7 a.m. A lot of that rain should start pushing through, leading into drier conditions by the evening hours. We move into Thursday, and here we go, 7 a.m. Here's that possibility of rain once again pushing through. Most of that should only last throughout the morning hours, and then Friday, well, then it's pretty much gone at that point. Dew point and temperature together, and you're going to notice that we're going to stay within the hot conditions, even though it's 86 degrees out there with dew point rising. We're hitting about 95 degrees, and that's how it's going to feel out there at 11 a.m. You move out towards 1 p.m., it's going to feel like it's 98 degrees, even though it's about 89 degrees. And look at that dew point, just really never dropping too much, staying around that 74 mark. And you're going to notice that it's going to feel like it's still 99 degrees out towards 5 p.m. itself. So when we take a look at it overall, you're going to be able to see the trend finally moving back up into the very hot category at about 3 p.m. tomorrow. So we've been seeing this extension of how hot it's going to feel out there, and tomorrow we're definitely moving right back up. For tonight, though, staying around 74 degrees, partly cloudy out there, mix of clouds and clear conditions. 91 in San Benito tomorrow. Anyone out towards Willacy County should be hitting around the mid-80s. Hidalgo County around the mid-90s once again, and then Starr County, same thing, almost to the triple digits as we move out towards Roma. 7-day forecast. Your weekend is always in view. Notice how we have that chance of rain lasting with us till Friday, and temperatures move back up into the mid-90s by the weekend.